Okay, another unedited video. Today we are gonna take a look at this miner's power supply. It's 1600 watts model and most importantly, it supports 100 volt inputs. Most of these more powerful supplies only supports 220 volts, which I learned the hard way. The last time I bought one from China, it didn't work here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. It's got a bunch of 12 volts output, obviously. Here's the fan. And maybe, just maybe, you can see inside. Do some others. But we'll take it apart later. Here's the front. The inputs, switch. You can just through the fan, you can see there's another fan inside. Yeah, that's interesting. We'll definitely look into it. Okay, but first let's test it. Connect the power. Let's turn it on. The relay click and the fan starts to spin. It's very quiet. Doesn't look like a server power supply, which is a miner, just a server. In fact, let's measure the voltage. It's just 4 watts, which is not normal, but maybe because it's not switched on yet. Here, this is a normal server power supply. It doesn't really have this connector, but I assume a miner motherboard is different. Maybe just the normal green and black wire. Maybe we should short it. Let's try to do that. The fan we're up to full speed now, and interestingly you can see 2 green LED inside. Voltage is good, 12.3 volts. Which means it's working. I actually got this from the trash, but apparently it does still work, which is very nice indeed. Okay, now let's take a look inside. See how it opens. It's quite a lot of screws actually. It's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, there's another screw hidden under the warranty sticker, of course, but let's not worry about that. Okay, for the big reveal, there's not a whole lot of dust, some insulation, cardboard maybe, and there's two silver power supply inside. Yeah. Here is DC to ATX adapter maybe. Here's the DC input. Here's the output. Let's see if I can get it out. The power supply seems to be mounted with these 3 screws. Still didn't want to come out, unfortunately. Well, I will pause momentarily. Okay, let's resume. Sorry for the background noise. So, this is just 2 serial power supply. The mains come in, and there's the switch. Through the switch, it goes into the input of the serial power supply, which, wait a minute, let me get the flashlights. You can see it's soldered on the connector. The other one is the same. They actually connected a ground wire, which is like impressive, but they didn't connect it to the main ground. But I assume this is glued together, so it's all grounded. But yeah, the 2 supply taped together. Here's the output. Here's the bus bar. This 2 big pad is the 12 volts bus bar. This is the control pin. They have obviously figured out how to use this. I assume this one is the standby, and this is the transistor somehow cleverly toggling the outputs on and off. Some things rooted on the back too. I don't know what black magic is done here, but this is basically to control the supply to make it work. Here is a double connector for the fan, some hot glue, the wire goes to this control board. All this is basically we got 12 volts in, and the Federal standby, the green. This is basically to power your PC from just 12 volts and nothing else. It have two synchronous converter here with a double MOSFET. Generates the 5 volts and the 3.3 volts for the motherboard and the SATA ports, for example. This thick wire is the ground cable cut. This is provide power from here 12 volts to this one. There are two thick interconnect cables to connect the two supply in parallel directly. You can see the output of the stem, I assume, is wired to this yellow wire. It's connected here. This one is connected to the MOSFET, I assume, to switch it on. Or actually, I may be wrong. It says 5 volt SP. So this black wire to the MOSFET or whatever this is providing the 5 volts, and the yellow wire is to turn it on, basically. Here is a P tap on. I will pause momentarily. One moment, please. I was going to check the model number of these two MOSFETs like thingy, but they have removed the model number. Yeah. One leg is connected to the ground. They're connected to the SP or S656. I don't know. Yeah, but that other leg is connected to the standby. So it must be generating the standby voltage. The yellow wire, the 37, that's controlling the output. It's the green wire. Okay. So yeah, and this is basically it. This is what's inside the miner's power supply. Basically adapting the serial power supply to work on a normal ATX power motherboard and give it a more 12 volts output, of course. The rating and the model number of the power supply is it's a HP HSTNSPL12. Its input is indeed 100 to 240 volts. Output is 62 amp for one of them. It's 750 watts. So two of them is 1500 watts, which is just a tiny bit short of 1600 watts, but I think it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today's video. Just wanna share this, that you can safely wire to switching power supply in parallel without any issues. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.